So good morning, friends. And today we will be dealing with the answers that I had given you. Okay. Just quickly see how you will go about these answers. Okay. Now answer C1, C2, C3, C4, and C5. They are to be done just the way I have written here. Okay. Just the way it is given here, you will copy it and write. Now coming on to D1. The question for D1 is enumerate the four noble truths of Buddhism. Now here you write the four noble truths and then you will just begin with these four jotters. All these jotters will be written from a new line. Okay. Then coming to the second question, differentiate between the Hainian sect and the Mahayana sect. You will write Hainiana on one side and Mahayana on the other side, and you'll divide the page. Then you write the first jota, Hainiana, also known as or the lesser vehicle, Mahayana, or the greater vehicle on the other side. Then for Hainiana, you'll write those who belong to the Hainiana sect followed Buddha's teachings only. Clear? Then for Mahayana, those who belonged to the Mahayana sect believed that the Buddha was an incarnation of God. They started worshipping him in the form of idols and bodhisattva. After that, the third point for Hinayana Mahayana would be oh, there's one page missing, children. Acha, that is why you all were confused. I'm sorry. Children, D2 has a little more. If you can write it down somewhere. The third point for demarcation. For Hinayana, you will write it spread to, write down for Hinayana, it is spread to Gujarat and Rajasthan. Oh, no. Wait a second. Sorry. Children, that's it. For Hinayana and Mahayana, only this much is the answer. Sorry. So D2 is clear. Coming to D3. D2 is only this much, which is given here. Now coming to D3, mention the three jewels, three ratnas of Jainism. You will begin your answer. Man could free himself from the cycle of rebirth by attaining moksha. This could be achieved through three ratnas or three jewels of life. Now again, these three jotters are to be written in different new lines. Okay. Then coming to D4. Differentiate between the Gambaras and Swatambara sects of Jainism. Now again, you'll divide the page into two, the Gambaras and then on the other hand, Swatambaras. You'll write, Jainism was divided into two sects, the Digambaras or the sky-clad. This till here, you will write in the Digambaras. Then for Swatambaras, you'll write Swatambaras or the white-clad. Then second point for Digambaras. Digambaras would be the Digambaras observed long fasts and did not wear any clothes. Then second point for Swatambaras. Swatambaras were more liberal and wore white clothes. Then third point for the Gambaras, you write, it also spread to Gujarat and Rajasthan, where the followers of the Swatambara sects lived. Then for the Gambaras, you write, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh, where the followers of the Digambara sects lived. Clear? Now coming to D5. Who could join the Buddhist Sangha? Who could not? You will begin your answer from the beginning. Here, the term Sangha means assembly of community. Clear? After that, you leave. Then you'll come to this. Even Shudras could join the Sangha. Both Buddha and Mahavira realized that only those who just a second. Only those who left their homes could gain true knowledge. So an arrangement was made for them to stay together in the Sangha. Then you leave this. Then all men could join the Sangha. Children who wanted to join the Sangha had to seek permission of their parents. A woman had to take her husband's permission. Only emancipated to or free slaves or the asas could join the Sangha. Then there's a little dark portion here. Please note down what is written here for the dark portion. It has not come very clearly. Those who joined the, in this bracket here, which is given here, this bracket, those who joined the. After that, those who joined the Sangha included Brahmins, Kshatriyas, merchants, and slaves. Okay. So those who joined the is not clearly seen here. Please see that you do D5 here. Then coming to E1, you have to write the teachings of Buddhism. You will write from here given and the answers you do in points. So you write teachings of Buddha as the heading. Then the main teachings of Buddha are explained in the Four Noble Truths and the Eightfold Path. And in that connection, you write first point, the Four Noble Truths and all these truths. Number two, the Eightfold Path, and you'll write all these Eightfold Path. Then third point, you'll write in points, following the enlightened path would would purify the mind and attain nirvana and help attain nirvana. Then fourth point, Buddha stressed on ahimsa or non-violence. And fifth point, he also criticized the system. Clear? Then for E2, it is a direct answer. 5 principles of Jainism are given here. Then E3, all that is marked from beginning till end, the word Upanishad dash 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 till belief and knowledge. And whatever I have underlined here, can you see? Upanishad is underlined, then Upa is underlined, Ni and Shad. Then in the next paragraph, Upanishad. Then again in the third paragraph, Upanishads and Jivatma. The words which are underlined here are to be written with black pen. Clear? Is this much clear, kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. So that's it for this class. Only I just needed to explain it to you